Hey guys, Alex from Kiss My Keto here. As a business owner and a co-founder of a company, as well as a ketogenic dieter, a lot of people ask me on a daily basis, how do you stay balanced? And I tell them, yoga of course, but the other thing is, I take plenty of supplements, like Keto Stabilize, Keto Replenish, and our Keto Replenish capsules. Now as you notice, it's not easy holding 3 capsules and standing on one leg, but with a healthy dose of electrolytes in powder or capsule form, and blood sugar support, I make sure that I never have a distraction that knocks me off balance. So, we're putting together this bundle for you. It's got the Keto Stabilized with blood sugar support, we've got the Keto Replenish in the powder form. This is a really tasty drink in mixed berry and has high dose electrolytes like pink Himalayan salt. And then we also have the Keto Replenish for travel in capsule form. And it's a 1 capsule serving and there's 240 count in here. So this is your bundle. Go out and grab it, and remember, stay focused, stay balanced.